This is Igor. Igor is an online retailer. And is always busy. Igor often is at the office until late in the evening. And his nights are short. In the morning, he's back at work again. Is very busy. And is at the office until late in the evening. Igor is fed up with that. Igor only would like to be successful and make money. But how? Then Igor has the idea. Igor does not have to reinvent the wheel. Igor is smart. Igor chooses StarSellersWorld.com. There Igor receives just the right support that he needs. StarSellersWorld.com acts like a piece of jigsaw puzzle and connects with the given systems. Draws a connection between pre-sale and after-sale. Takes care of automatic invoicing. Integrates data into selling platforms. Compares all data on the market in lifetime. Organizes purchase and sale. And takes care of price optimization. Everything automatically in one system. This saves Igor money and time. StarSellersWorld.com does not only make Igor, but also Igor's customers happy. And that worldwide. Igor would have never thought that being successful would be that easy. Now Igor has more time for himself again. And for what really matters in life. Be like Igor, be smart, become a star.